Your Switzerland travel checklist. 8 essentials you shouldn't forget. Planning a trip to Switzerland? Great choice. This country is packed with stunning mountain peaks, crystal clear lakes, and picture-perfect towns. Whether you're here to soak in the views or chase some adventure, Switzerland has something for everyone, from skiing the Alps to hiking peaceful trails. To help you make the most of your trip and stress less, here's a handy list of what you'll need. 1. Swiss travel pass and other options. Thinking of renting a car? Skip it. Switzerland's public transport is one of the best in the world. Clean, punctual, and super convenient. With a Swiss travel pass, you'll get unlimited access to trains, buses, and boats. Plus, you can enter over 500 museums for free. Alternatives include the Interrail Pass, great for multiple trips, or the Swiss half-fare card, which gives you 50% off most transportation, even scenic trains and cable cars. It also works in cities like Zurich and Geneva.
2. Waterproof jacket. Even in summer, Switzerland can surprise you with a sudden shower. A waterproof jacket will keep you dry, especially if you're hiking. Dress in layers so you can adjust to changing weather. Thinking of a day trip? Try the Jungfraujoch tour from Zurich. You'll ride the highest train in Europe, walk through an ice tunnel, and take in jaw-dropping views from the Sphinx Observation Terrace. 3. Good walking shoes. You'll be walking a lot, whether it's exploring charming towns or hiking alpine trails. Make sure to bring comfy, waterproof shoes. Use your travel pass to reach places like the Rigi Panorama Trail or Zermatt's 5 Lakes for some unforgettable views.
4. Travel adapter. Swiss outlets have 3 prongs, not the standard 2-pin used in most of Europe. Many European adapters still work, but make sure yours fits. The voltage is the same as the rest of Europe, 230 V/50 Hz. 5. SIM card. Want to stay connected? Order a European SIM card before your trip. Some services, like Klook, deliver it to your home, so you're all set when you land. You'll get 4G internet and a European phone number for calls and texts.
6. Camera or smartphone with storage. Switzerland is a photographer's dream. From snowy mountains to postcard villages, you'll want to capture it all. Don't forget spare batteries or a power bank, especially if you're out all day. Planning to visit Mount Titlis? It's snowy year-round and offers epic views. Book a tour from Zurich and enjoy the ride without worrying about logistics. 7. Some Swiss francs. Credit cards work fine in cities, but small towns and villages may only accept cash. Bring Swiss francs, as not all places take euros, and if they do, you'll get change in Swiss currency.
8. Reusable water bottle. Save money and the environment. Switzerland has some of the cleanest tap water in the world. You'll find public fountains everywhere, and they're perfectly safe to drink from. With these 8 essentials, you're ready for an unforgettable Swiss adventure. Whether you're gliding down ski slopes or relaxing by a lake, Switzerland will leave you speechless in the best way. Let the journey begin.